Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a slow Wi-Fi with no technical skills required. So the most obvious one is restarting your router. You've probably already done this, but you might not have done it in the right way. So what you'll have to do is simply turn off your router, and what most people do is turn it on directly or automatically after turning it off. And that's not the thing that you should do. You should turn it off and wait something around 30 or 40 seconds, even to 1 minute, and then turn it back on. And this will clear any temporary glitches and often boosts speed instantly. Also, what you can do is move closer to the router. Walls, floors, and furniture blocks signal. And for best speed, stay within 10 to 15 feet from or away from the router with no obstacles in between. Also, you would like to check for other devices and apps. You can check or start checking from your device. You can open the task manager and look for this network. Look if there is any app or browser is taking a lot of network. So if there is, maybe that's the reason why the Wi-Fi is slow. Make sure to pause any downloads, updates, or streaming on other devices, or even some uploads. Because for best speed or heavy traffic normally slows your Wi-Fi for everyone in the network, especially if you don't have a fiber. So if someone is uploading a video for someone else in WhatsApp or something like that, it might slow the Wi-Fi for everyone else. So check other devices, not only your device. Check if anybody in the house is downloading something or uploading something. Ask them to do it at night when everybody's asleep. Also, make sure to switch the Wi-Fi band. Normally, the modern routers or the modern Wi-Fis have the 5 GB option and also the normal one, which is 2.4. So the 2.4 or normal one has a longer range. So if you're a little bit far from the router, you might not see this 5 gigahertz option. So make sure to log into the 5 gigahertz if you're closer, because it has some faster speed than the normal one or the 2.4. So 2.4 has longer range but slower range, or longer range but slower speed, and 5 gigahertz has lower or short range but with fast speed. So connect to the 5 gigahertz for fast performance if you're close to the router. And one other thing that you might notice, an example, maybe you're paying for 100 megabytes and you're getting only 50. If you're going, an example, to your browser, you're going, an example, to speed test or any other thing that you can test your Wi-Fi, and you're seeing your payment example for 100, you're only getting 70 or maybe 80 or something like that. Let's just check this one example. It's more reliable for me, so I'm just going to check. So as example, I'm paying for 200, but let's see how much I am getting. So as example, I'm getting around 100. Of course, sometimes you might get this if someone is downloading at this time. That means I'm getting only this at this exact time because someone else is downloading or uploading. So make sure no one is downloading or uploading something, because this will ruin this test. Then make sure to come back here and always check as an example. So if you see it's good, that means you're good to go. But if you see, as an example, you're paying for 100, you're getting just 10 or 50, maybe it's a router problem. Normally, if you, as an example, once you start the Wi-Fi network on your home, you started right away with 100, and they give you a router for that. Sometimes the router does not have the feature to give you, as an example, 100 megabytes. But this is rare, especially if you started with 100. But if you start, as an example, with 20, then switch it to 100, this will be more likely, because they will give you a router that is compatible, as example, with 20, then you switch to 100, but they didn't switch the router for you. So after that, you don't get like the full 100 because the router supports only 50. So you can see that from the behind the router. You can go and check it out, then go and get a better router if you want to. So other than that, try to keep the router, as example, firmware updated if there's any updates, and avoid placing routers near microwaves, also near cordless phones or thick walls, and try to restart your phone or PC. Sometimes the device itself slow connections. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.